Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. On today's video I'm going to show you guys how I installed these ISSI Auto car rain deflectors. I'm Jerry and I'm living the Nukem life. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is roll the windows down. Alright guys, so these are auto rain deflectors that are made by ISSI Auto. They seem really straightforward. You basically just have to remove this strip right here to expose the adhesive, and then you have to put two of these clips about a third each way up into the channel, and that should hold this in. So the way that the directions say, you want to put it in on both sides first and then push it up. And it goes right up into the channel. And then the easiest way that we have found to put the hooks in, these little clips right here. And there's a barb on one side. That's the side that needs to be towards the truck, because it's going to keep this in by kind of going into that plastic right there. And the easiest way that I've found to do it is to just put it up in that little channel and then use this big flathead screwdriver and push it up in there. So I'm gonna kind of break it into a third, so right along right here. Get it seated up in there, and then the same with this one. Again, you want that little hook right there to face the plastic end. So I'm going to about a third. And what those clips do is it really stabilizes it, and then you want to make sure that the window closes completely. And you can see just like that, it does. Not too shabby. All right, let's get this one and the other ones done. Put that side in, put this side in, and then push straight up. Go about a third of the way down. All right, let's try the window. Alright guys, so if this video helped you out, please leave a comment below. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps our channel grow. And hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.